Just finished doing the brakes on your car and you notice that the brake pedal is extremely long and soft. Well, that's because you have air on your brake line. That's a very common cause. It's because some way air got into the line while you were replacing your pads and your rotors, and you lost pressure on your brake pedal. It's a very easy fix. Now, unfortunately, it does require two people unless you have a stick, but it has to be the right size of stick. Let me show you. The distance that you're looking for is from the brake pedal all the way in the floor to the seat. Now, obviously, you might want to put something so you don't damage the seat, especially if you have leather seats. But in this case, we have cloth seats, and this is my beater, right? But what we're going to be doing, pump the brakes as much as you can, and then you're going to hold it down. How do you hold it down? Just like that. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Press it down, release the nipple, close it back off. Pump it, pump it, pump it, and do it over and over again. So in order to keep the pressure on the brake pedal while I'm down there on the wheel, we need to find a piece of tube that measures just about right. If you don't have one, then unfortunately you're going to need somebody to help you. But if you find one, you can do this by yourself. Now what we're going to start off is by pumping the brakes a bunch of times, and then hold, put your piece of pipe, make sure it stays there, and then come to your brake. Right here, all brake calipers are going to have a little nipple like this, right? Depends on the kind of car that you have, it's going to be the size. It could be a 6, it could be an 8. So it all depends. I'm using an adjustable wrench, right? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and unscrew this nipple just a little bit, and you're gonna see a bunch of fluid come out. Once the fluid comes out, you close it again and you pump your brakes. So you repeat the process over and over and over again. You're gonna start feeling a little bit better, slowly but surely. Couple pumps, put it back in, and you're gonna see the squirt like if there was actually some. You see? Air, air, air. So you're gonna want to do this until you're done, until it comes out full stream. So once you reach the point where all the fluid is just a stream of fluid coming out, you got no more air in your lines, and your brake pedal should feel normal again. This is a trick that you can do in any car. Keep in mind, guys, bleeding the brakes is the same process on every single caliper brake, okay? So they're all gonna have a little nipple that's called the bleeder for you to be able to actually bleed out your lines, take all the air out, and actually have a good brake pedal pressure on it. That is it for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the follow button, the subscribe button, and I think we're gonna do some more how-tos in this channel because my project is currently down, so we gotta figure out some content. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, learned something real quick about it, and stay safe. Make sure that you do your you put something underneath it to catch all the fluid that comes out so you don't make a mess. Other than that, have a great day, guys. See you next time.